Hey, Evan. I'm gonna be out of town for the next few days. I hope if you don't mind. My buddy Mike's gonna be staying for a few days while I'm gone.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, cool. All right, you good?
Yeah.
Bed's right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Hey man, you mind if I just go right to bed? I'm fucking exhausted.
Yeah, sure. Hey man,
Oh shit, hey.
how you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
I'm alright.
How'd you sleep?
Alright.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. How about you?
Oh my god. Like a baby.
Oh
it
yeah.
was great.
Yeah. I heard.
Oh, news travel that quickly.
Oh, well, I mean, do you think you could keep the snoring down a little bit tonight?
Oh
It was just-
shit. Did that happen?
Yeah, it was coming out. But
Yeah, that
just
happens
if you-
sometimes.
Yeah.
But no, I'll stop it. I'll stop
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I'll stop it.
Thanks.
Hey,
Hey,
how are you? How's it been?
it's pretty good.
How are classes? Everything good?
Getting through it.
Yeah, I get that. How's Mike?
I think he's sleeping somewhere.
Alright, well, have a good day.